Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, do all that fun stuff. Let's enjoy. What are we doing today? Reverse light bulb, 2006 Toyota Camry. So models 2002 to 2006. This will apply to any one of those. So we're going to change that. I'll show you how to do that real quickly. This is my 2006 Toyota Camry XLE, and check the mileage on this. 129 kilometers. Because I'm in Canada. Okay, let's get going here. Yeah, this thing doesn't see winter at all. And it's raining outside, and I'm going to get this thing put away. Where do you got to go? You got to get into here. Hopefully the camera view is good. Simple. It is reverse, brake and park light, signal light up top. Did you see that? 1, 2, 3 little clips. Open it up. Reverse, brake, park, turn signal. Counterclockwise. I know that it's kind of tough maybe to see with my hand here in the way and the lighting and all that kind of stuff, but get in there, unclick it. Ooh, that was easy. That actually wasn't too bad. Wow, Toyota's made such small openings here. Look at this to get in. If you need to use a pair of pliers or a pair of needle nose, be mindful of your wiring and everything like that. Take your time. Gently pull that out. There it is. That is your reverse bulb. Did you see that? I just popped it out. Hang on. Hold your socket. Got your light. Got your bulb. All it does is plug in. There's just 2 little plugs. Bonk. Grab it. Put it in. Pop it in. It should just click. Oh, it's in there. There we go. Take it. So it's counterclockwise to loosen it, clockwise to tighten it. I'm going to try to keep my head and arm out of the way here. You got little arrows on here too, on the socket. Oh yeah. There we go. A couple of guide pins in there, and then locking pins. There we go. That's it. That's done. Got any questions or comments on it? Leave it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This car's going away for the winter time. Just did an oil change on it. Parking it for the next 6 months. That's why I did an oil change on it. And that's it. This is factory original. This car has, those are still the factory tires, factory brakes, factory battery. I kid you. You want to see the engine? Sure, why not? Okay. There it is. Clean. What do I got left to say? Nothing. It's a great rainy day.